Instead of just putting points into the animation list, though, I actually used the partial function from the functools module to create drawing commands with the correct arguments pre-bound. To replay the animation, all I have to do is call the items in this list in sequence. But I still had to figure out how to allow different turtles to start at different times. My solution was to add some blank no-op frames to the turtle's animation list when the turtle is created. How many blank frames get initially added is determined by how many frames the current turtle has already recorded. Here's an example of what the process looks like. Notice that only one turtle moves at a time. First, turtle 1, then turtles 2, 3, and 4 in turn. After all the turtles are done drawing, one after the other, their motions are replayed like this. So, I mentioned earlier that I was going to patch some methods. What I mean by patch is that I'm going to temporarily replace some of the turtle module methods with ones of my own creation.